Hello faculty and instructors. This tutorial was made by CSUF Disability Support Services. In this tutorial, we will give step-by-step instructions on how to review and acknowledge receipt of DSS students' course accessibility letter. The delivery of a DSS student's course accessibility letter to an instructor will be completed through Titainable. When a student completes this process, his, her, their instructor will receive an email with a web link as shown in the screen capture. Follow these steps to review and acknowledge the receipt of a course accessibility letter. Step 1. Click on the link in the email. Step 2. Using your instructor campus username and password, log into Titainable. Step 3. Select the correct term to display your courses. Step 4. Click on the View Letter link on the same row as the student you would like to view the course accessibility letter for. Next, for Step 5, click on the Review HTML letter button. For Step 6, mark the checkbox and click on the Submit button to acknowledge you have received and reviewed the course accessibility letter. This is located at the bottom of the page. After confirming the receipt of the course accessibility letter, your web browser will return to the page that lists those students who sent you their course accessibility letter. Here you can review another student's course accessibility letter, if applicable, and 2, click on the Logout link to exit from Titainable. For frequently asked questions regarding accommodations in the course accessibility letter, please visit our webpage at www.fullerton.edu/DSS/staff/FAQ.php. That concludes our faculty tutorial on the course accessibility letter. Thank you.